Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Merced. So in today's video, I'm going to show you on how you can set a premiere on your YouTube channel. So first up is you have to log in to your account or sign in to your account and click create on the upper right hand side of your screen, and then upload a video. So select files. You have to select files from your folder. I'm gonna choose this one, welcome member. So I'm gonna write or put down my title, which is welcome member, whatever it is that you want as a title of your video. Thank you for being a member. Welcome to my YouTube community, and blah blah blah, whatever it is that you want to say on your description box. This is actually a video that I made to welcome my member on my other YouTube channel. So here you can create a thumbnail if you have a TubeBuddy application, or you can upload your own thumbnail, but I'm just gonna leave it for now. So I can select whether I want to put that in my playlist. So say for example I'm gonna put it on tutorials, then done. Next is I have to select whether it is yes, it's made for kids, or no, it's not made for kids. So for this one I'm gonna click no, it's not made for kids. And there's more options: paid promotion, tag, subtitles, and more. I'm not gonna click on that one because it doesn't apply to this one. I'm gonna click next. Next is I can add an end screen. So say for example I'm gonna add from my previous videos, say I want that one, so I can put that one there. So I have here my end screen. So click save, and then I can add cards. Say if I want other videos to be put in here, you just have to set the timeline, another one. So you have a maximum of 5 for this one. So let's just say that's enough for now. Click save, and then click next. So now we have here save or publish, whether you want it private, unlisted, or public, and then set as instant premiere, or we can have this one as schedule. So for example I click that one, schedule, and then you will have to set the date and then set as premiere. So it's up to you what you want to do, whether you want to schedule the premiere or you want the premiere to start right away. But of course we are going to set the schedule or set the premiere on a certain date and at a certain time. But if you are a monetized channel, it is highly recommended that first, before setting the premiere, you have to set your video as private or unlisted, so you can check first or verify first if there is no copyright claim on your video. So that's the thing that is recommended that you should do. But for this video, let's just say that we are going to schedule this right away. So what we have to do is click right here, schedule, and then set the time, say for example October 2, 2020, and the time would be, let's just say at 20:45 or at 8:45 p.m. and then I'm gonna click this one, set as premiere. So next for that one is we click schedule. So there you go. Your video will premiere on October 2, 2020 at 20:45 or 8:45 p.m. So we're just gonna close this one and then we head on to our videos. And as you can see there, it says premiere. So here, if say for example you change your mind, you can reset the time and the date for your premiere. So you just click right here and check the date or change the date and time and then schedule. So I'm just gonna click cancel for that one. So if we open this one, so there you go, it says premieres in 41 hours October 2 at 20:45. So with this one you can share the link to your friends or whoever you want to share with to watch with you the premiere of your video. So you're just gonna do that one. Say for example you share it to your Facebook community, just copy the link or you just click Facebook. So yes, that's the easy way to set a premiere on your YouTube channel. So I hope you learned something from this video. If you do, please click thumbs up or like button. Subscribe to this channel if you haven't yet, and I will see you on my next video. Thank you.